Hello and welcome to my channel Study with Pradipto. Today I will discuss week 7 assignment 7 answers of the course Database Management System. So this is the first question. Consider the following lock compatibility matrix where S denotes a shared lock and X denotes an exclusive lock. Now we have to remember two things, that a transaction holding an S lock on a data item allows other transaction to acquire an S lock but not an exclusive lock on the same data item. But on the other hand, a transaction holding an exclusive lock on a data item prevents other transaction from acquiring and shared lock on the same data item. So option A and option D will be the answer of question number 1. Now for question number 2, consider the following schedule S involving 5 transactions. So these are the 5 transactions from T1 to T5. Now for doing this question, we have to draw the precedence graph. Now after drawing the precedence graph, we can see that the schedule is both conflict serializable and view serializable as well, because if a schedule is conflict serializable, then it is also view serializable as well. Now option B will be the answer of question number 2. Now for question number 3, consider the following schedule S involving 5 transactions. Now identify the incorrect options regarding the order of execution of all transactions in the above schedule S. So in the same way, we have to draw the precedence graph, and the answer will be option C, T1, T2, T4, T5, T3. Now for question number 4, consider the following schedule S involving 5 transactions. Here Rx denotes the read operation on data item X and Wx denotes the write operation. Identify the possible number of conflict serializable schedules of the above schedule S. Now the answer will be option C, that is 3. Now for question number 5, consider the following schedule S of the transaction T1 and T2. The read operation on the data item A is denoted by read A and the write operation is denoted by write A. And these are the schedule. Now which of the following is true about the schedule S? Now the answer will be S is serializable only as T1, T2. Option C. Now for question number 6, consider the following schedule S. This is the schedule. Now where Ry denotes read operation on data item Y by transaction T1 and Ti, and Wy denotes write operation on data item Y by transaction Ti. So identify the possible number of view serializable schedule. So the answer will be option D, that is 6. Now for coming to the question number 7, consider two transactions given below where locks XA denotes Ti has obtained an exclusive mode lock on item A and lock SA denotes Ti has obtained a shared lock mode on item A. So these are the schedule. Now which of the following statements are true? Now the answer will be both T1 and T2 follow the strict two-phase locking protocol. Option C. Now for question number 8, consider the following schedule. Rx denotes the read operation, and in the same way the Wx denotes the write operation. Schedule is recoverable schedule and cascadeless schedule both. So option C. Now consider the following schedule. This is the schedule. Now the answer will be option B. If T2 fails, only T3 will be rolled back while T1 will remain unaffected. Now for question number 10, suppose in a database there are 3 transactions T1, T2, T3 with timestamp 20, 21 and 22 respectively. Now T2 is holding some data items which T1 and T3 are requesting to acquire. Which of these following statements are correct in respect of wait die deadlock prevention scheme? So we have to remember that the transaction with smaller timestamp is the older transaction and the transactions with greater timestamps are the younger transaction. And here T2 is holding some data items whereas T1 and T3 are requesting to acquire the lock. So in this case, the older data items will wait for the holding data items. So here T1 will wait for the T2 to release the data item, and whereas the transaction that is younger than the holding transaction will roll back. So that means transaction T3 will roll back. So option C will be the answer of question number 10. So thank you for watching this video.